سب سے پہلے آج یہاں آتے ہوئے یقیناً میرے ذہن میں یہ خاکہ نہیں تھا کہ اسکول اتنا اچھا ہوگا, یہاں کی فیسلٹیز اتنی اچھی ہوگی. یقیناً یہاں آنے کے بعد مجھے یہ اندازہ ہوا کہ اس دنیا میں بہترین لوگ موجود ہیں جو بہترین کام کرتے ہیں. Richard, I am impressed. I am honored to meet you and Haiti who are here in Nowshera, and I am honored that I got a chance to come here and visit the school. The amazing staff, the teachers, the students, the way they're teaching the students with the sign languages, it's inspiring. I want you to come again. I want you to meet him today, and I want the Chief Minister of this province to know that there are such great people like Richard and Haiti, which by looking at their own children who was deaf, he felt it and he worked for the deaf people. The amazing thing was the sign language. Like the teachers, they are so talented. They have learned the sign language, which is, I feel like it is the difficult language, one of the difficult languages. So, one thing when I was coming over here, the road is in worst condition. So I have already directed the C&W department. They'll come and they'll take the estimate and they'll make it. The other thing, when we go, I have told one of your staff member that we should take a laptop with us and we should tell the Chief Minister, we should show him that what are we working on. Because I'm your ambassador now, after all, yeah? So, after this, Richard, you got my number. You can call me, you can contact me anytime in Nowshera. You consider me as your ambassador and I'll do whatever I can for you, for the children, and for the best cause. The main thing is the best cause, because I've already told them, after this world, in Islam, there is a day, Roze Mahshar, the day of judgment. So on that day, we all will be running here and there, asking our parents, please, हमें कुछ थोड़ा सवाब दे दे so we can go to Jannah. So on that very day, there will be a wall in which all the children who are paralyzed or deaf or blind or with the special children, they'll be sitting on the wall. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will leave all of us and will go to them and will tell them that I am sorry, in this world you were not complete, so I allow you to go to Jannah. And they'll be the first one to go to Jannah, and we all will be roaming here and there, asking someone, mother and father, and not even our mother and father on that day will help us. But these people will go directly to Jannah. So they are special people in this world and the hereafter. They are the special and they will be the special. They are very close to our hearts. And Richard, thank you so much. I really thank you.
Facility, since I have been posted for past few months, but I was not aware of this facility. This is so heartwarming. This is so, for me, this is more generous. People say khidmat to the humanity. I have no words to express my feelings to see the children. They are doing so well if we compare them to the government institutions. The artwork we saw, the vocational training, basically that was so, for me that was really surprising to see how they are actually learning. The teachers, the faculty, they all, most of them are having the same issue of their hearing. They have the hearing issue, and they are delivering so well.
Pakistan is considered as as a stigma. It is considered as something which is, inferior than a normal person. And these attitudes prevail all over the society. आप देखेंगे सोसाइटी में, और ये डिसेबिलिटी एक डिसेबिलिटी नहीं है, that is not only deaf. There are people who don't have their limbs, people who are blind, people who are suffering from autism. And I've seen people abroad, actually in Canada and US, where there are different kind of disabilities, and how governments are proactive addressing those disabilities in their country. Maybe it is far-reaching, and maybe we are not able to maybe support 1% of those efforts which are being done. I think fundraising, what Richard Gary, he was talking about. Once I was in Cleveland, and in one night, around $200,000 were raised by the Pakistan American doctors there. So we don't have such kind of philanthropy here, and we don't have such type of proactiveness. But let me tell you that Pakistan Poverty Alleviation Fund has supported, especially for the disabilities, I would say, in Pakistan, that is more than 6,000, disabled people, who didn't have their limbs. More than 1,400, I would say, deaf children, through deaf reach. Because PPF believe, PPF की जो strength है, वो उनकी partner organizations हैं. और मैं ये समझता हूँ कि PPF हर जगह पे पहुँचता है, चाहे वो कैटास्ट्रॉफी हो. Recent अगर आप floods को देखें, तो more than 50,000 households were reached. और उसमें से 10,000, more than 10,000 households were from KP, जिसको reach किया, और जिनको food items, non-food items, hygiene kits जो हैं वो provide की गई.